Okay, class, so yesterday we were learning a little bit about rhyming words and what it makes for a word to rhyme. What does it have to have? So today we're going to do a little lesson on the whiteboard. And first, I'm going to pick a name. So I'm going to spin the wheel. Okay, let's see who it picks. Okay, Sophie, you can come on up. And Sophie's going to see what we are going to do. Let me erase this first. Okay, so let me click the eraser. Sophie, go ahead and erase the top part. See that red part? So you're going to erase that and see what we're going to do on this page. Okay, thank you. So it says rhyming words matching game. So what we're going to do today, I'm going to demonstrate the first one. So here's our first word, top. Top. I'm going to find this word, whatever it rhymes with on this side, and match them up. So I know op is the last part of the word, and I'm going to look over here on this side to see what also has the op sound. Op, mop. So top and mop rhyme. Okay, so let's see who's going to be next. Okay, so Brittany's going to come up. So Brittany, you're going to click the pin and then pick any word from the left side and match it with one word from the right side. Okay, good job. So Brittany matched dog and fog. Is that correct? Okay, good job, Brittany. That is correct. Dog and fog rhyme. Let's see who's next. Okay, so Tom, you're next. You can come up and do the same thing Brittany did. So pick any two words that rhyme. Good job, Cat and Matt rhyme. Let's see who's next. Okay, Chandler. So Chandler, you're going to come on up. Pick any two words that rhyme. There's only a few left. Good. Okay, class, does box and fox rhyme? Good job. Yes, they do, because they both have the ox at the end. Okay, let's see who's next. John. John, you're going to come up and do the last one, okay? Let's see. Good. Car and jar. Do those rhyme? Yes, because they both have the R sound at the end. K, R, and J, R. Good job. Okay, now we're going to move on to the next page. So, let's see, what do you guys think we're going to do here? Okay, let's pick a student. Okay, so Jesse's going to come on up. And Jesse, you're going to erase the top part to see what we're going to do, okay? Good job. Okay, go have a seat. Create your own rhyming word. So, each student's going to write in here a word that rhymes with this one. So, I'll do the first one. I'm going to do this one. So, this word says yam. Good job. Yam. So I know that the next word that I'm going to write also has to have the end part of this word. So am has to be in the word. So let me think. Okay, class, what does this say? Ham. Does ham rhyme with yam? Good job. Okay, let's pick our first student to create our own rhyming words. Let's see. Okay, it looks like Chelsea's gonna come on up. So Chelsea, click the pen. Good job. Okay, now click any word that you want to use. Okay, so you want to do the word win. So what word rhymes with win? What's another word? What does that word say? Good job, fin. So fin and win do rhyme. Let's see who's next. Okay. Okay, Ashley, your turn. So now Ashley's gonna write. Okay, Ashley, pick any word you want. What word is that? Good job, fun. Fun rhymes with run. Okay, let's see who's next. Oh, Ashley just went. Let's do it one more time. Okay, Chase. Good job, Chase. Let's see. Okay, Chase, so these are your words. So you're going to pick one just like the others and write a word that rhymes with it. What word is that? Good, hat. Hat and sat rhyme. So there's two more. Let's see who our next two students are going to be. Okay, Chelsea. Come on up. Ooh, that's one of our other words, huh? Yam. Good job. So yam does rhyme with jam. So really all four of these rhyme, right? Yam, ham, jam, and yam. Good job. Okay, our last student for the lesson. Let's see. Let's see who our lucky winner is. Okay, Brittany. You're going to do the last one. So, let's go back. Tell. So what's another worm that rhymes with tell? What does that word say? Yell. Good job. So all of these words rhyme. So jam, yam, sat, hat, yam, ham, win, fin, tell, yell, and run and fun. Okay, so that's going to be it for our lesson today. Good job, boys and girls.